YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Thank y'all for who recently subscribed and who have been watching my video, my most recent video. Guys, I know it's been a while, so many of you probably have not seen the recent video, but you know, little by little, more people will watch it. And you know, today we're just gonna do some more technical analysis. Vote is kind of still bullish. It seems very bullish, so I'm gonna talk more in depth about it. Also, just a reminder, guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Ain't nothing just to smash that button, hit the like button. Remember, Road to 500 giveaway. Once I reach 500 subscribers, I'm doing a $200 giveaway, $100 to two people each, right? $100 each. So yeah, guys, don't miss out on some free money. Take advantage of it too, because we're at a good level in Vote to where that $100, you put another 200 behind it, and you got yourself a billion Vote tokens, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, y'all. Just make sure you please comment down below. Anything you have, any questions you have, let me know. Subscribe, like, yeah, let's get to it, y'all.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags.
All right, guys. So, as y'all can see, right, we were looking at the weekly last video, and this candle had came down all the way to touch 2809. All right. And it seems to be rejecting at the moment. It seems to be rejecting that level, which is retesting previous highs that is broken, right? Like I said. Okay. So, at this very moment, price is holding on the daily time frame. Price is holding 602809, like I said, right? We've been on this level now, what? One, if you really think about when we broke out of it, price closed above that support level still, and then gave us a nice bullish candle, which to me, this right here, this pattern right here is a morning star, right? To me, okay? You got the small candle with the next big bullish candle, okay? Obviously, rejecting 3262, but that comes with the game, you know what I'm saying? That comes with it. You're not gonna just having a push and continue pushing up, especially we're not really in a bull run yet. You know what I'm saying? We're not on a full bull run. You know, so we're gonna have pullbacks, and those pullbacks, like I say in every one of my videos, are okay because you can take that opportunity and dollar cost average. Okay, and so what you need to, excuse me, y'all. Go ahead, baby girl. Sorry, my daughter. So, you know, with every pullback, you know, with every push up, you're gonna have a pullback, and then you're gonna have some consolidation, which is what it's been doing for the last few days. So we pushed up, came up here, rejected, we retested, see if we could break. We could not break. Gave us this bearish candle, and this candle was able to hold at 2809. And then, like I said, anytime you have a push up, you have a push down, consolidation. And then we consolidated for 3 days, and now we're starting to move our way back up to retest 3262, right? Now, if we could break this level, that'd be amazing, because this is what we would be looking at. So if we can break this level, we come up, okay, come back down, retest this level that has been broken for the next push up, right? And so if that doesn't pan out, right, and we come back up, then what's going to happen is we're going to probably, if it doesn't work out that way, then we probably retest this level again, okay, which is what it's doing, because I personally think that we still got to come back and correct this move right here. All right, my thoughts are that we're going to come up here, reject, give us a double top, right, which is a confirmation, especially on the higher time frames. You get that double top, then more than likely price is going to continue pushing down. Okay, it's looking something like this. And I personally think it's gonna come back and retest these levels, right? I mean, this move right here. Now, is it gonna come all the way down? Maybe, maybe not. It might just give us that higher low that we need, right? Because we have the high, now we need a higher low, okay? So if I delete this, this is what it would look like. So we got the high, boom. Now we need that low. We need that higher low so we can continue pushing on up, okay? So I personally think we might have to come back down and correct this move. I could be wrong, but unless there's, you know, a lot of momentum, something big coming out for Volt, we need a push. We need a big push to get this going, okay? So I personally think it's making its way back up to retest that level. I personally think we're going to reject this level, okay? We don't have a catalyst coming out. Ethereum is making its way back up, right? So if I go over here to Ethereum, like I told you, Ethereum was headed to 1900, and it damn near, what it did? It did tap 1900, to be honest. See what I'm saying? So in my previous video, I said we were at 1830, and I said Ethereum is probably going to make its way up to 1900, which looks like what it's doing. But I also think we might go ahead and hit the 2000 range. And if you notice, every time we come up to the 2000 range, we reject. Okay? We come up, we reject. So could we reject, or could we possibly push through that? It depends. You know what I'm saying? A lot of factors gotta come in play. You know what I'm saying? But this is good because while Ethereum is moving, that helps all the other coins kind of help push up as well, which is why Volt is moving the way it's moving. I personally think, right? Because if Ethereum is moving, and this is the Ethereum Volt, right? The Ethereum Volt pair. So if Ethereum is moving, Volt will move. Ethereum comes down, more than likely Volt will come down as well, unless Volt has of his mind of his own, and we got tons of transactions coming in. And of course, then yeah, it'll continue pushing up. But as of right now, 2809 is holding firmly as a support level. If you notice, this was resistance. This level was a resistance for 14 weeks. Okay, it came out of that resistance, and now it's holding that resistance as support. Okay, so this is the new floor as of now. Before that, it was 2170. Now it's 2809, guys. So if you're not noticing, if you're not realizing that Volt is starting to move its way back up, and it's got a long way to go on the higher time frame. This is beautiful, right? We just need to get to this level here, which I say is very critical. This level is very critical because once we can break this level, we will definitely be pushing up because we have to correct this whole move, okay? This whole move has to get corrected, which will put us right back to over 5011, right? We got a long way to go. But the point is that we're getting there. The point is Volt held strong at this level, could not break below, created a very strong floor, and now it's going up. Okay, once we break all these rejection levels, it's a smooth sail from there, right? So guys, keep in mind that for $300 or $300 or so, you can change your life around if you just have patience. Invest wisely. This is not financial advice. Like I say, I'm not a financial advisor, but what's $300 to possibly make thousands to hundreds of thousands if we hold, and if we hold all the way to the 100 billion market cap, that $300 can turn into $1.5 million, right? When the bull run fully kicks in. Okay, now this is just my opinion. You don't have to take my advice. Do your own research. Okay, but obviously, if this crypto right here it wasn't going to go nowhere, then I feel like none of this would be happening right now, right? Volt was made in a bear market, because as soon as Volt was created, the bear market happened, right? So, we'll go back to the daily, guys. As of right now, it's looking really good. I will give you an update once we reach this level, which I believe is going to come and retest this level, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I believe it might come back up, reject, and come correct this move. Okay. I could be wrong. I don't know. I could be wrong. But what I'm seeing is that it did not give us a big bullish candle as it did right here. It gave us that small candle, but it did not give us that bigger push, which means it's making its way slowly, possibly to reject. Okay. Now we're going to come back in a couple days, because it could probably take a couple days for this to play out. And we'll see, right? If we start seeing rejections, we start seeing red candles, and we start seeing consolidation, then we know that possibly it's going to get rejected and come back down, which is not a bad thing, guys. Any of these levels right here, even coming back down close enough to this level where support was held strong at 2170 is not a bad thing. That just means another opportunity to add more positions to your bag, right? So, guys, we're going to move on, right, to CoinMarketCap real quick and see what it's looking like overall, right? So we are definitely up 1.98% for the last day. My previous video, we were at $1.29 trillion market cap. Now we're at 1.32 trillion. All right. Bitcoin, if you remember, you could always go back to my old videos, guys. Okay. And Bitcoin over 35 grand now. It was under 34 grand. It was retesting previous levels, and I pushed up out that level. And Bitcoin is looking really good, man. You know what? We'll go ahead and look and see where could Bitcoin be headed, right? What's the next level Bitcoin could be touching? So, like I said, this is a level that needed to get broken for Bitcoin. Okay, broke through it. Support was held, and now it's pushing its way back up. Now, on the daily time frame, we got a lot of rejections in this level, right? So, anywhere around here, we'll say the first rejection right here. Okay, 39,000, guys. All right, we could possibly see Bitcoin go hit 39,000. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we're obviously going to see less data. Let me see where it's at. Hold on, guys. All right, we're going to probably see, yeah. So, when I say less data, less clutter, right? If we see here, this was an evening star pattern that pushed Bitcoin all the way down. There was a lot of selling pressure right in this point. All right, which brings us to 46,367. So I would say Bitcoin might hit 40 grand before it pushes back down or retest levels, right? Because if you notice here, the rejection levels are strong in this area, right? Many times it rejected, tried to come and break that, could not break it, came back into the range, attempted again months later, right? Could not break, and then finally broke through back in May, okay? And that's when it just started collapsing down. Now, I personally think Bitcoin might hit 40 grand before it pushes back down, which is a good thing, because then, boom, that creates other cryptos to push up as well. All right, y'all. So just be mindful. If you are dollar cost averaging, wait on the pullbacks. Okay, the market is showing greed, so people are taking advantage. All the rich people, millionaires and billionaires. Well, actually, when the market's fearful is when you want to take advantage, right? When there's greed in the market, some say get out, take profits, shit like that. But to be honest, man, we're at such a low point in crypto, or for Volt, to be honest, that you should be taking advantage of it at all times, regardless, right? Because once that Bitcoin halving happens, it's going to create, a lot of people say it's going to initiate the bull run, for sure, right? Officially. So just keep in mind, guys, be wise with your money, invest smart. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Dollar cost average, all right? Do your own research, okay, guys. And about the SparkBot yesterday, guys, when I was trying to show the SparkBot, I am having trouble with my Telegram for some reason. Will not log me in, but guys, you can just go to Vote Inu Twitter page, official Twitter page, and there's a tutorial. There's all tons of information on this, on how SparkBot works. Okay, it's pretty much just a bot, a trading bot. I personally won't be using it, but you know, if you're into that bot stuff, then go ahead and take a look at it, man. There's tutorials on how to use it, where to use it. Excuse me, y'all. How it works. And yeah, man. So you'll get tons of information on Vote Inu official page, man. If you're new to Vote, or if you're curious about investing in a crypto, I'd highly suggest you do your research. See what Vote Inu is about, man. It'll probably blow your mind what it's been through, what it's coming from, what we offer. And guys, when I say we, I'm not part of the team. I'm not part of Vote Inu. Yeah, I'm just a regular investor, just like you guys. And so, guys, I'm gonna keep this video short. We're gonna come back when I see that Vote has hit these levels up here. Okay, when it reaches 32.62, we're gonna see how it reacts. Give it maybe Monday, Tuesday, and yeah. So this is the new daily candle for today, right? It possibly could push up here and happen today. If it does, I'll make another video on it. And more than likely Tuesday, we'll start seeing if it's going to break through and hold, because it needs to, in order for this to actually play out the right way, there needs to be a bullish candle that closes like this. Okay? It needs to close above this range right here, y'all. Okay? It needs to close right up in here. It needs to close. See how this has a wick rejection right in here? And it closed below this line. It needs to close above this line to show that the buying pressure is still there. Okay? Now, if we see something like this, and then you got a little wick like this, then yeah, you know, something like that. You get what I'm saying? Then obviously, price is more than likely is going to retrace back down. Maybe retest this level only. Maybe retest 2809. It might not even go further than that. But I personally think it needs to come back and correct this move, y'all. All right? So, I will keep you posted, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching me. Thank y'all for subscribing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Get some of this free money at 500 subscribers. All right? It's free, man. It don't cost you nothing to hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Get the algorithm back going. I told you I'm going to be more consistent. Okay? Just had to get a few things together in my life the last 4 months. And yeah, man. So, till next time, y'all. Y'all be safe. Peace.